Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix invalid payment method. Your current card type is not supported by this store. Please correct your payment card information. So guys, if you are adding your credit card and you will get this error pop up, invalid payment method. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, open your app store here, then click on user icon in top right corner. Then click on your Apple ID username and wait for a few seconds. Then guys, simply click on country and region. Then click on change country or region and change country where your credit card is made. Like if my card is from India, I am going to select India. If your card is made from United States, you need to click on the United States. Then click on agree button. Then guys, select the none option here. As you can see here, make sure that you have select none. Now fill the information, street address. You need to must add the correct city. Then select state if it's asked. Then enter your postal code. So guys, you can find the postal code on the Google by your city name. Then enter your phone number. Then simply click on next button. When you are done, click on manage payments. Then guys, click on add payment method. Make sure that your billing address is correct. Then click on add payment method. Now guys, enter your card information and make sure that you have a Visa card, MasterCard or American Express. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, leave a like and comment. If you have any problem, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.